Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today my topic is about great epics of the world. As we know that this epic is the greatest and most sublime form of poetry. And what is poetry, that is already discussed, and MCQs related to poetry are also discussed in my previous videos. If you are interested, you can check those videos. Link will be provided to you in the description box. And if you like those videos, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Today I will talk about great epics of the world. So let us start. Before starting, let me tell you that what is an epic. It is already discussed in previous video. You can check that video also. So let us start with the title and of the epic and name of the poet. Iliad is written by Homer. Then we have Aeneid, Virgil. Odyssey by Homer. Divine Comedy, Dante. Morte Arthur, Tennyson. Paradise Lost, John Milton. Fairy Queen, Spenser. Ramayana, Maharishi Valmiki. Ramcharitmanas, Tulsidas, right? And if we talk about the language or country to which these poets belonged, then when we talk about Iliad, he belongs to Greece. Then Aeneid is Roman. Then we have Odyssey, again Greece. Then Divine Comedy, Latin language. Morte d'Arthur, this is English, in English. Then we have Paradise Lost, again in English, by John Milton. Then by Spenser, Fairy Queen, that is again in English. Then Ramayana, we know that is in Sanskrit, and Ramcharitmanas, that is in Hindi. Right, now let us start with our MCQs. 15 MCQs I will discuss today, and so let us start with first one. First question is, which of the following epics has 24 books? Most of the questions are related to my previous videos. If you are regular on my channel, then it will be easy for you to answer these questions. And if you want answers will be given at the end of the video, so you have to watch the video till end, and you will get the answers, because most of the time I get comments from you that answers are not given, so no need to watch this video, and how we can solve these MCQs. Each and every video which is related to MCQs, answers are given, but be patient and watch the video till the end, right? So first question is, which of the following epics has 24 books? Options are given. Then second question is, who is the hero of Homer's Iliad? Options are Achilles, Hercules, Atlas and Odyssey. Then question number 3 is, which is the first great epic? Iliad, Morte d'Arthur, Paradise Lost or Aeneid? Question number 4 is, an epic is divided into several books, right? Already discussed that it is divided into several books. And how many books are there in Homer's Iliad? 6, 10, 24 or 12? Question number 5 is, what is the title of the French national epic and oldest surviving major work in French? Options are given. Question number 6, the Shahnameh or Book of Kings is the national epic of which country? Iraq, Kuwait, Pakistan or Iran? Number 7, whom does Spenser dedicate his Fairy Queen? Is it Sir Philip Sidney or Queen Elizabeth or King Arthur or Sir Walter Raleigh? Number 8, in the first book of The Fairy Queen by Edmund Spenser, who slays the dragon? Saint Andrew, Sir Gawain, King Arthur or Saint George? Question number 9 is, in Dante's Divine Comedy, what other famous epic writer guides the poet through hell? In Dante's Divine Comedy, what other famous epic writer guides the poet through hell? Options are Virgil, Homer, John Milton, Ovid. Question number 10. There are two epics titled Argonautica. Both deal with the Greek hero Jason and his men, the Argonauts. You have to tell what are Jason's and his men attempting to find. They are attempting to find the golden fleece, the golden touch, or they are attempting to find the Holy Grail or Switzerland. Question number 11. This Sumerian epic follows the hero king of Uruk on his adventures with friend Enkidu. Can you name this epic? Options are again given. Then question number 12 is, which book of Paradise Lost begins with an invocation to light? Book 3, Book 4, Book 6, Book 9. Which book of Paradise Lost begins with an invocation to light? Question number 13, very easy question to discuss. From what great Hindu epic is the Bhagavad Gita taken? Right? Very easy to answer. Then question number 14, the central theme of Luciad is the voyage of Odyssey or Odysseus or Vasco da Gama's voyage to India, ancient glory of Portugal or battles between Portugal and England. My last question is, the first great work of English literature is the Anglo-Saxon epic Beowulf. Who is the main hero in this work? So friends, this is all about my today's video. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. And if you want answers, then after this slide you will get answers. Thanks a lot for watching.